Hi home bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making chocolate-filled Hershey's Kiss Snowball cookies.
This classic Christmas cookie is soft, buttery, and stuffed with a creamy chocolate center. These cookies come together quickly and easily and are a guaranteed crowd pleaser.
This easy Christmas recipe takes the classic Snowball cookie and transforms them into a fun dessert everyone will love. These Hershey's Kiss Snowball cookies are the perfect Christmas treats for holiday parties or adding to your Christmas cookie tin. Each bite is rich, chocolatey, and irresistibly melts in your mouth. They're so quick and easy to make with only simple pantry ingredients.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make Snowball cookies.
To start this recipe, we're going to make the easy cookie dough batter. In a large bowl, beat together 2 cups of softened butter with 1 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these together until they're light and fluffy. This should take about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix this on low until the dough just comes together. The less you handle your dough, the more tender the cookies will be in the end. And now to form the little cookies. Scoop out about a tablespoon's worth of dough. Place an unwrapped chocolate in the center. Now I'm just going to roll the dough into a ball around the chocolate, completely encasing it. Continue doing this with the rest of the dough until all the dough and chocolates are used up. Now I'm going to place the little dough balls on a few lined baking sheets. They'll puff up just slightly in the oven, so leave a little room between each one. And my cookies are ready to go into my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven and allow them to bake for about 12 minutes. The tops will still be pale in color and the bottoms should just have a hint of golden brown. Allow your cookies to cool slightly until you can handle them. Then roll each warm cookie into a bowl of powdered sugar until they're well coated. Allow your cookies to cool completely and the inside chocolate to set before serving. These little cookies are also perfect for freezing, so they're a great easy way to get a head start on your holiday baking. These buttery Christmas cookies are rolled in powdered sugar for that iconic snowy finish. And the surprise chocolate center makes them extra special. The perfect melt-in-your-mouth bite-sized treat.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.